Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. When Facebook relaunched as Meta, it wanted to showcase a corporate brand that responds to the company's greater focus on establishing a metaverse. And metaverse tokens gained the attention of crypto investors and traders. Following Facebook's announcement, the value of metaverse tokens like Decentralized Mana, Engine Coin, and the Sandbox skyrocketed. As the metaverse becomes a medium for engagement, work, and other entertainment, there's a renewed interest in the industry, piquing the curiosity of investors in decentralized metaverse crypto. In today's video, we'll look at what the Sandbox is, how it works, the tokenomics of the Sandbox system, and generating revenue. As always, if you find this topic interesting, then you can let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. You can also let us know if you find it interesting by saying so in the comment section down below. Now let's jump into it. So what is the Sandbox? The Sandbox is Ethereum-based software that runs a decentralized virtual gaming universe. The Sandbox is at its core a game where players can purchase digital plots of land and build experiences on top of them to share with other users. In this sense, the Sandbox is a model of a blockchain-based metaverse similar to Decentraland. The Sandbox contains 2 extra native tokens that govern the operations in its metaverse. In addition to the NFT-type land token, there is Sand tokens. Sand tokens are used to facilitate various gameplay transactions like acquiring land, interacting with user-generated content, and staking it to participate in the governance of the decentralized autonomous organization. Asset tokens. Asset tokens are NFTs that represent in-game assets such as avatar equipment and creations used to populate land. They can be traded in the marketplace of the Sandbox. So how does the Sandbox work? The Sandbox program uses the Ethereum blockchain to track digital land and NFT assets ownership on its app. Users can interact with the ecosystem further by storing their sand tokens in Ethereum wallets. Developers are also free to innovate within the Sandbox platform by designing the animation and interactions seen on their virtual real estate, using tools that include Vox Edit, a free 3D voxel modeling and NFT creation application for PC and Mac, lets users design and animate 3D objects like humans, animals, cars, greenery, tools, and stuff. Voxels are square 3D pixels that look like building blocks, may be edited with Vox Edit to achieve stunning results quickly. Objects can be exported from Vox Edit into the Sandbox marketplace to become NFT game assets once they've been produced. Marketplace. Users can upload, publish, and sell their NFT creations generated with Vox Edit on the Sandbox's NFT marketplace. In addition to this, to provide decentralized storage, creations are first uploaded to an interplanetary file system network and then registered onto the blockchain to verify ownership. Once this is done, creations become assets that can be sold by posting a first sale offer on the marketplace for potential purchasers to purchase. Game Maker. The Sandbox Game Maker is a free tool that allows anyone to create fantastic 3D games. Accessible visual scripting tools eliminate the need for coding, allowing you to build spectacular 3D games in minutes. While no coding skills are required to participate in the Sandbox, its strong array of tools allows users to build and incorporate essential materials into the rapidly expanding realm of online games and worlds. Now let's look at the tokenomics of the Sandbox ecosystem. The Sandbox ecosystem employs a variety of tokens to provide an environment for tokenized assets in gaming. Sand is an ERC20 token that powers all transactions and interactions in the ecosystem. To play games, buy equipment, or modify your avatar, Sand tokens are required. When the Sandbox DAO is founded, Sand will also serve as a governance token, allowing its holders to input changes to the ecosystem. Sand can also be used to buy assets as well as lands. And lands are digital real estate represented by ERC 721 tokens. Players can house games and assets on their lands, which are 96 by 96 meter digital spaces. There will only ever be 166,464 land parcels. An estate is created when a player merges lands into a single property. Sand tokens can be staked to obtain more sand, and gems and catalysts, which are 2 additional types of tokens required for asset creation. Catalysts are ERC20 tokens that establish your asset's tier and scarcity. Tiers range from common to legendary. with common assets being the most common and legendary assets being the rarest. Gems are ERC20 tokens that are burned when they're utilized. Gems can be purchased from other players in addition to being obtained by staking sand. The Sandbox pays Ethereum gas fees on behalf of players, enhancing the user experience. Also, the Sandbox Foundation receives 50% of the Sand token transaction volume, which it uses to support the ecosystem by sponsoring grants and promoting the platform. Now let's look at generating revenue. You can earn money in the Sandbox in a variety of ways. After producing assets with Vox Edit, you can sell them as NFTs on the Sandbox marketplace. Assets such as avatars, motorcycles, and animals trade for a wide variety of prices ranging from 10 sand to thousands of sand. Similarly, you can use the Sandbox Game Maker to create and market your games, or you can earn rewards as a player of other users' games. You can also make money from your land by renting it out to other players or filling it with materials to raise its worth. The Sandbox is one of several crypto metaverses seeking to alter the dynamic between producers, gamers, and gaming platforms. The Sandbox and its peers are paving the way for a new gaming economy where players control the product of their creative labor and are compensated for the significant value they generate for platform operators. So there we have it, a look at the Sandbox. Once again, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.